How to turn on and enable the Spotify Jam. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Spotify Jam is a feature designed to enhance the collaborative and social music listening experiences. In Spotify, it allows multiple users in the same physical location to join and share a music session. It is done by enabling them to listen to the same music in sync. So first of all, make sure you have updated your Spotify application. Head over to Play Store, search for Spotify and tap on update button if available. After that, you have to tap open the application, tap on your profile picture which is on the top left corner and go to settings and privacy. After you head over to settings and privacy, go to privacy and social. At the bottom of the page, you will see the jam under the social features. Tap on learn how. This way, tap on activate button if it's available and then on get started. A prompt will ask you to enable the Bluetooth. Tap on the green OK button to toggle on the Bluetooth. After that, you can learn how to follow the instruction and confirm the readiness. Always ensure that the other person also has jam enabled, Bluetooth turned on, and both devices are connected to the same speaker. Bring the two devices close together to sync the Spotify for synchronized music playback. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.